Today we are going to draw the letters G, H and I with some fruits and vegetables. Get your pencils ready and let's get started. First we draw the letter G. Then we draw some grapes underneath it. Let's draw the grapes together, one grape at a time. Grapes can be green, red, or purple, and they make a tasty snack. Next, we draw the letter H. Then we draw a honeydew underneath it. Honeydew contains lots of water. After that, we draw the letter I. Then we draw an iceberg lettuce underneath it. Wow, look at all the leafy shapes coming together to make our iceberg lettuce. Now, let's color our drawing. Red. Green. Purple. I colored the grapes purple. You can choose any colors you like for your drawing. Orange. Green. Yellow. I colored the honeydew yellow.
And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Orange.
Donald had a farm.
This honeydew slice looks delicious and fun to draw. Pink.
With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Green.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep.
I colored the iceberg lettuce green.
Here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Today, we learned G, grapes, H, honeydew, I, iceberg lettuce. Give yourself a big clap for finishing your drawing. You did a fantastic job drawing and coloring today. Let's take a picture. The most important thing is to learn and have fun while drawing. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time. Keep drawing, keep learning with